Hey everyone, welcome back to my art world. So today I am sharing some glimpse of what I have been painting lately. So while I was searching for inspiration for my painting and I looked into my gallery and guess what I found? A true inspiration. I found some of my old to recent animal rescue photos and some of our shelter rescues also. So I thought, why not to paint them on a canvas and recreate those lovely moments. So I will be sharing this series with you all so soon. Till then, take care, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do it now. And if you don't want to miss out any of my videos, then please do subscribe. And thank you so much for your support.